Hello, everyone, and welcome to Health Journey. Have you ever wondered why you feel tired all the time, even after getting a full night's sleep? Do you wake up feeling exhausted, struggle to stay focused during the day, or find yourself reaching for another cup of coffee just to stay awake? If your answer is yes, then today's video is for you. Constant tiredness is one of the most common health complaints in the world, but many people don't realize that the real cause often has nothing to do with working too hard. In today's video, we're going to explore the hidden reasons behind constant fatigue and, most importantly, simple ways to get your energy back naturally. So let's get started. One of the biggest reasons people feel tired is poor quality sleep. Many people believe that sleeping for 7 or 8 hours is enough, but the quality of your sleep matters just as much as the number of hours. If you stay up late scrolling through your phone, watch TV before bed, or wake up several times during the night, your body doesn't get the deep sleep it needs to recover. As a result, you wake up feeling tired instead of refreshed. Creating a regular sleep schedule and avoiding screens before bedtime can make a huge difference. Another common cause of fatigue is dehydration. Your body needs water to transport oxygen and nutrients to every organ and muscle. Even losing a small amount of water can make you feel weak, dizzy, and less focused. Many people mistake dehydration for hunger or tiredness. Drinking enough water throughout the day is one of the easiest ways to improve your energy levels. Start your morning with a glass of water and continue drinking regularly throughout the day. Your eating habits also play a major role in how energetic you feel. If your diet consists mainly of fast food, sugary snacks, and soft drinks, your blood sugar rises quickly and then drops just as fast, leaving you feeling sleepy and exhausted. Your body needs healthy foods to produce steady energy. Eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, eggs, fish, lean meat, beans, and nuts gives your body the nutrients it needs to function properly. Healthy eating isn't about strict dieting, it's about giving your body the fuel it deserves. Many people think resting all day will help them feel better, but surprisingly, a lack of physical activity can actually make you feel more tired. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, strengthens your heart, increases oxygen flow, and releases chemicals in your brain that improve your mood and energy. You don't have to spend hours in the gym. Even a simple 30-minute walk every day can make you feel more active and healthier. Stress is another hidden reason behind constant fatigue. When you're under stress for long periods, your body continuously produces stress hormones that leave you mentally and physically exhausted. Work pressure, financial problems, family responsibilities, or constant worrying can slowly drain your energy. Taking a few minutes each day to relax, practice deep breathing, pray, meditate, or spend time with loved ones can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Sometimes tiredness is caused by a lack of important nutrients, such as iron. Iron helps your blood carry oxygen throughout the body. If your iron level is low, your muscles and organs receive less oxygen, making you feel weak, short of breath, and tired. Iron-rich foods such as spinach, lentils, beans, eggs, and lean meat can help maintain healthy iron levels. If tiredness continues for a long time, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation. Another habit that affects your energy is drinking too much coffee or energy drinks. While caffeine can temporarily make you feel more alert, consuming too much can interfere with your sleep and create a cycle where you feel even more tired the next day. Limiting caffeine, especially in the afternoon and evening, allows your body to maintain a healthier sleep pattern. Vitamin deficiencies can also reduce your energy. Low levels of vitamin D or vitamin B12 are common causes of fatigue. Vitamin D is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight, while vitamin B12 is found in foods like fish, meat, eggs, and dairy products. Spending a little time in the morning sunlight and eating a balanced diet can help support healthy vitamin levels. If you suspect a deficiency, seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional before taking supplements. Modern lifestyles also involve spending long hours looking at phones, computers, and televisions. Too much screen time can strain your eyes, affect your concentration, and interfere with your sleep, especially when you use electronic devices late at night. Taking short breaks from screens and reducing phone use before bedtime can help both your mind and body feel more refreshed. Finally, constant fatigue can sometimes be a warning sign of an underlying health condition such as thyroid problems, diabetes, sleep apnea, or anemia. If you've been feeling tired for several weeks despite sleeping well, eating healthy, and exercising regularly, don't ignore the symptoms. Seeking medical advice can help identify the cause early and ensure you receive the right treatment. The good news is that improving your energy often starts with small daily habits. Drink enough water, eat nutritious meals, stay physically active, get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, spend some time outdoors, manage your stress, reduce sugary foods, and avoid spending too much time on your phone before bed. These simple changes may seem small, but together they can have a powerful impact on your health and your daily energy. Your body is always communicating with you. Feeling tired all the time is not something you should simply accept as normal. Listen to the signals your body is sending and start making healthier choices today. Even one positive habit can be the beginning of a healthier, more energetic life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Journey, and share it with your friends and family so more people can benefit from these simple health tips. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.